For SaaS companies, customer messaging is more than just support. It is part of the overall user experience. The right platform can make onboarding smoother, solve issues faster, and keep customers engaged long after sign-up. Two of the biggest players in this space are Intercom and Zendesk. Intercom is built around conversational engagement. Its design feels modern, friendly, and fast, perfect for companies that want real-time interaction with customers. When someone visits your app or website, Intercom's chat widget appears as a personal, helpful assistant. It can answer questions instantly, guide users through setup, or connect them to a support agent in seconds. One of Intercom's strongest features is automation. Its AI chatbots can handle common questions, route conversations, and collect customer details before an agent steps in. This reduces response times and keeps your team focused on more complex issues. You can also create targeted in-app messages or onboarding tours to help users learn features on their own, which improves activation and retention. Intercom's inbox is clean and collaborative. Support reps can see conversation histories, customer details, and activity context all in one place. That means every reply feels personal and informed. It also integrates with tools like Slack, HubSpot, and Jira, making it easy to link product feedback and internal workflows. Zendesk, on the other hand, is built for structured support operations. It has a long history as a help desk platform and offers a complete suite for managing tickets, emails, live chat, and knowledge bases. Its interface feels more traditional than Intercom's, but provides powerful organization and tracking tools that large teams rely on. Zendesk's biggest advantage is scalability. It can handle huge volumes of customer inquiries across multiple channels, email, chat, social media, or phone, while keeping everything organized in one ticketing system. You can assign priorities, set service-level agreements, and automate ticket routing so no request gets lost. Zendesk also includes a strong reporting system. Managers can track response times, agent performance, and customer satisfaction to improve operations. Its automation tools are rule-based and reliable, making it easier to enforce processes at scale. Combined with its robust knowledge base, Zendesk helps customers find answers on their own before opening a ticket, which reduces overall workload. If your team wants to move fast, personalize every interaction, and make support feel like part of the product experience, Intercom is the better choice. But if you need a proven, scalable system to manage large support teams and customer volumes, Zendesk provides the structure and stability to keep everything running smoothly. Both tools elevate customer support, but your best fit depends on whether you prioritize engagement or operational efficiency.